Hello everybody, my name is Manjot Sran. I am from Punjab, India, and today I'm going to show you my final CS50 project. Talking about my project, I made a web app using the Flask framework, using which users can input their details to get a professional looking resume within seconds. I have two folders, a static folder, templates folder. Static folder, uh, in static folder I have my CSS files, and inside the templates folder I have my HTML files, and this is the app.py file. Now let's see the front end of my project. Before that, let me restart the server and click on this link. This is the landing page of my project, of my website. I have used parallax effect here, so let's quickly see how we can generate our CV. Let me input my details. Experience 6 months as an intern at TCIL IT, a leading IT company in India. Certifications CS50P and Google Data Analytics. Skills: Python, C, C++, SQL. And projects: hotel management system. Languages are English, Punjabi, and Hindi. Let me generate my resume. This is how my resume looks like. It is simple yet effective and professional. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it.